At the risk of being competitive, I'm going to tackle another batch of bowls. Now, none of these have any checks in them or anything, except for this one. There's a check in the tenon of all things. I still have lots of walnut that I can use to dress these up a little bit. Well, this batch turned out pretty well, I think. I'm not sure what kind of wood this is. I think these four are magnolia, not sure. And this one is a mystery wood, I really don't know. I added these pieces of walnut in all these just to add contrast and visual interest. I think these two colors of wood complement each other well. But this is my favorite one. This was an experiment where I just cut it at an angle and glued this walnut in here. But it turned out pretty cool. It was very labor intensive to cut this with a handsaw, and it wasn't straight either, so I had to do a lot of sanding to get the surfaces flat so I could glue them. As I was doing it, I said, I'm not going to do this again, and then now that it's done, I really like the results, so I may try this again. This one I went through the bottom of it, so I just glued on a piece of walnut, and it ended up turning out pretty cool, I think. The only thing that bugs me is this knot hole right here. I've made it so that the walnut overlaps it, which is a little disappointing, but not a big deal. especially considering it's an imperfection in the wood anyway. This piece of wood is kind of neat where it's got some just subtle curl in it, which I think is really interesting. So that's it for this video. I've got a lot more bowls on the go right now. Hopefully it's not getting too repetitive. I'll be back to more interesting projects soon in Cammie's garage.